Hello everybody, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today I'll do another open house tour at a home here located in Sunset Pointe in the Villages. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. It is located at 1526 Chapin Street here in the Villages, Florida. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome everybody, thank you. I will walk up the driveway and show you this 3-bedroom and 2-bath home here in the village of Sunset Pointe. It does have a very steep roof. This home is made of block and stucco. It does have a 2-car garage. And as always, please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home, and I will show you her picture and her contact information. Right here, Melissa. Walking up to the front door, you do have mature landscaping. Let's go in and take a look around. I'm standing in the foyer area here. You'll notice the wood laminate floors. And to the left is a bedroom that has carpeting. This home is very neutrally decorated, and this bedroom has very high ceilings. I will proceed to the corner and pan around and show you the foyer area again and the bedroom. This first bedroom can be used as an office. It is right off the entry door. That is the foyer area with beautiful hardwood floors. I believe it's vinyl, not vinyl, but it is wood laminate floor. We will go into a second bedroom. This bedroom does have carpet on the floors. Very high ceilings. Really high ceilings. It does look like it has acoustical texture on the ceiling. This bedroom is not the master bedroom, but it does have access to the bathroom. I'll call it a guest bathroom. This bathroom does have tile floors, ceramic tile floors. It does have solid surface countertops. It has a single bowl sink. Again, and very high ceilings with acoustical texture. This guest bathroom does have a tub, and it does have ceramic tile surround. It's very nice and light and bright. It has 2 windows in this bathroom. Very nice. Let's take a walk and look into the laundry room. This is the laundry room. Very bright. It does have tile floors. You can see this laundry room is very bright. It does have a window in it. It has a sink with wood cabinets. It has very high ceilings and is very neutral color. Now we'll proceed back into the kitchen and dining room area. You will notice that the wood laminate floors continue. Off to the right, you will see the dining room. Very bright. The ceilings are very high in this home. These windows let in a lot of natural sunlight. Off to the left is the kitchen. Those countertops are solid surface, and you do see the wood floors continuing into the kitchen, the wood laminate floor. Let's go out to the Lanai and take a look at how beautiful the Lanai is. First thing I notice is the ceramic tile floors in the Lanai. This Lanai does have, it is enclosed with windows. That is a huge upgrade. It's very expensive in Florida to enclose your Lanai with windows. It's a very good size Lanai. This leads out to the backyard. Let's take a look at the backyard. This is the backyard. Looking left, looking right. This is the side yard. That is the roof line. The roof shingles look like they are in good condition. This is a block and stucco home. It is not wood framed. Let's go back inside and take a look. One more panoramic view of the Lanai area. We'll take a walk back into the kitchen and dining area. This is the living room area. Again, the wood floors throughout. It has a very high tray ceiling. Very unique light. Take a panoramic view back into the kitchen. That's what the kitchen looks like from the living room. Very high ceilings. Those ceilings have no texture, or maybe a sand texture. That door will lead into the garage. This is the garage. This is the kitchen area. Appliances look like they're new, fairly new update. It has a Bosch stove. It does have natural gas stove. Those are solid surface countertops in the kitchen. This garage has a very unique and newly finished floor. It's a non-slip type of floor. It's very nice. This is a 2-car garage. It does have a whole entire home water filtration system. That's what those blue things are. It is a 2-car garage. This floor is awesome in here. Let's go back out into the kitchen area. There's a video of the bathroom area. Again, this is the living room area. Very bright home, very nice. This is the master bedroom. Does have the wood floors continuing through the master bedroom. It looks like it has a knockdown texture on the ceiling. The ceilings are very tall. Very large bedroom. This is a very large master bedroom. Very large. Has a closet in that corner. There's also a walk-in closet in the master bathroom. There is a pocket door that leads from the bedroom into the master bathroom. There is ceramic tile floors in the bathroom. And here is the walk-in closet. It's a pretty good sized walk-in closet. Looks like it does have the acoustical texture on the ceiling in the closet. It does have carpet on the floors in the closet. So this is the bathroom. It has solid surface countertops. It does have a double bowl sink. Very high ceilings. The real estate agent did tell me that they are going to paint the master bedroom before the house is sold. So let's take a walk into the shower area. It does have a separate commode and shower area with a pocket door. There is your commode. The shower does have tile. It is a tiled shower, both the floor and the side. It does have a glass door. There's the floor of the shower. It does have a window. It actually has two windows in the commode and shower area. It does have a seat in the shower. Okay, let's take a walk out. Back into the kitchen area. Here's a panoramic view of the living room area with the television. Looks like it has built-in cabinets. Dining room is across the way, and the kitchen is here. Very nice home. It's awesome. Let's exit the home. I will video the specification sheet. This home is located in the village of Sunset Pointe. It is listed at $474,900. Please contact Melissa, the listing agent, if you have any questions. Here's a features sheet. All right, let's go ahead and exit the home. I will walk out to the street and give you a panoramic view of the street. Very quiet neighborhood here in the village of Sunset Pointe. Most neighborhoods here are. Let's take a walk to the street. Pan left and right. That is panning left. This is panning right. That is the home. Again, contact the listing agent if you want any information on this home. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Thanks for watching, everybody. This was an open home tour at 1526 Chapin Street here in the village of Sunset Pointe. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Take care, everybody.